Hi everyone, welcome back to MadeEasy. My name is Jane, and I'd like to welcome you back to our Microsoft Power BI sessions. In this lesson, we are going to look at how to create a waterfall chart. Now, this is an incredibly powerful financial and analytical visual. A lot of times, when we look at our total net profit, we just see one final number. But how did we actually get there? What was pulling us up? And what was dragging us down? A waterfall chart answers those questions visually by showing running totals as values are added or subtracted. It displays a floating cascade of blocks. Green blocks rising for your positive earnings, red blocks dipping for your losses, and a final column showing where your net total actually lands. For our scenario, we are going to look at our total Superstore profit and break it down by our product subcategories so we can see exactly which products are driving our success and which ones are eating into our margins. So let's get right into it. First, you're going to navigate over to the right side of your screen, to the Visualizations pane. Go ahead and find the icon for the waterfall chart. Let's click that icon once, and a blank placeholder visual will appear right on your report canvas. Go ahead and grab one of those corner handles on the canvas placeholder and stretch it out nice and wide. Waterfall charts need a bit of horizontal breathing room so we can read all of our category labels easily. Next, let's populate our chart with data. Look further to your right over to the data pane and make sure your orders table is expanded. First, we need to bring in our sequential categories, which are our product subcategories. Locate the subcategory field. Go ahead and drag subcategory and drop it directly into the category well inside your visualizations pane. Next, we need the metric we are measuring. Find your profit field in the data pane, and we're going to drag that down and drop it straight into the y-axis well. Look at your canvas now. This is spectacular. Power BI has organized your subcategories from left to right, automatically sorting them by their profit contribution. On the far left, you will see your massive positive drivers, like copiers, phones, and accessories, stepping upward with green columns. But as you look further to the right, you'll see columns stepping downward in red. Look at tables and bookcases. Those columns dip below the baseline, showing us exactly where our losses are occurring. And on the far right, you see that tall, solid blue column labeled total. That represents our final net profit after subtracting all of our losses from our gains. Let's do a quick formatting touch-up to make this visual truly pop and read professionally. Come right back to your visualizations pane and click that second icon at the top, the Format Visual Paintbrush icon. First, look for the Visual tab. Expand the Data Labels section and toggle it to On. Now your audience can instantly see the exact dollar amount of the gains and losses without needing to hover. Next, let's look at the Columns section. If you expand that, you'll see Power BI's default colors for this chart. Increase is green, decrease is red, and total is blue. If these colors don't quite align with your corporate branding, this is exactly where you can go ahead and change them to fit your specific palette. Go ahead and save your file, and you are all set up with your brand new waterfall chart. We successfully mapped out our sequential profit performance. Now, if you found this walkthrough helpful and it gave you a clearer understanding of how to display financial breakdowns in Power BI, go ahead and smash that like button for me. And if you want to make sure you're always updated on our weekly data analytics deep dives, go ahead and hit subscribe and turn on that notification bell. Thank you so much for walking through this feature with me, and I'll see you in the next lesson.